Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the circle to select gesture in Goodnotes in 2026. Do you want a faster way to select your notes? The circle to select gesture makes it super easy, so let me show you exactly how to do it by following these few simple steps and instructions. But before we do that, I'll give you a quick guide on how to download and install the Goodnotes application. We're just gonna go to the Play Store or App Store depending on which device you're using because it's available on both devices. Then you're gonna make sure to download the Goodnotes application. Once you download this and install it, you're gonna open it and make sure you log into your account. And once you log into your account, you're gonna open and create a new notebook. Now, once you open the new notebook, you're gonna use your Apple Pencil to draw a circle around the content you want to select. For example, let's select here. We want to select this section right here. As you can see here, you can drag it with your pencil. Once you select the object you want to move, you're gonna select it with your pencil, and then it will a selection box will appear around the thing you're selecting, and will highlight it automatically. And you can move, resize, and edit the selection. As you can see, you can resize the selection. You can move it like this, and then you can also use the toolbar option to copy, cut, or adjust the copied box. As you can see here, you can also draw clean circles for accurate selection and use it for quick edits, and combine with copy and paste for efficiency. Now, circle to select is a fast way and intuitive way to edit your notes. Use it to save money and work smarter. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.